So I'm Craig Novak. I am a Continuous Improvement Manager. Life Fitness is a worldwide producer of commercial fitness equipment for cardiovascular and strength. The reality of the picture was we had a great deal of outsourcing to the tune of $350,000 a year. So once we began the implementation of the Freedom software on our pilot basis, we did a trial. We began to see patterns of the loss in the various elements of the operation. So from an ROI standpoint, the investment we made initially was recouped in under 6 months. I mean, there was dramatic changes we made with a little bit of information, to be honest. We realized big gains initially. Within the first year, we were over $600,000 in collective savings between cutting our outsourcing off and having a huge rebound in productivity from the output increases.